Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. The parties in this case are four brothers and one sister. Stop. They have equal shares in two properties at Todar Mal Road, New Delhi and Karol Bagh, New Delhi. Stop. An award for partitioning these two properties among these brothers and sisters has become final, and it has been held that each of them will have 20% share in the property. Stop. This court, wide order dated May 2, 2008, observed that the award was to be executed as decree, and as per the award, properties are to be sold and shares distributed. Stop. This court observed that it would be appropriate that in the first instance attempt is made for inter se bidding. Stop. On 11 September 2008, the court was told that inter se bidding was not possible, and at the request of parties, a valuer was appointed for valuation of the two properties. Stop. As per valuer report, the property at Todarmal Road was worth rupees 8 crores and the property at Karol Bagh was rupees 2 crores. Stop. In view of the valuer report, the total value of the properties come to rupees 10 crores and the share of each of the brother oblique sister comes to rupees 2 crores. Stop. Dr. Harish Upal had made an application under section 3(1) of the Transfer of Property Act 1893, read with section 151 of CPC, wherein he has prayed that the first floor on Todarmal Road may be sold to JD4 under section 3(1) of Partition Act at the price ascertained by the valuer, and this price may be set off against his share, and if there was any further amount due, the same shall be paid by JD4. Stop para. There is another similar application made by another decree holder, namely Mrs. Indra Upal. Stop. She had prayed that she opts to buy full property of Karol Bagh at the valuation done by valuer, and she was prepared to pay the difference between her share and the value of the property as assessed by the valuer. Stop. The application are opposed by other decree holders. Stop. During arguments, it transpired from the arguments of the parties that the valuation done by the valuer does not reflect true market value of the properties. Stop. Even according to Dr. Harish Upal, living in Karol Bagh property have got the values of property fixed through the valuer in such a manner that the value of the property at Karol Bagh comes almost equal to one share, and the JD living in the property wants to take benefit of this. Stop. It was also submitted that the valuation of Todarmal Road property was also not done as per market value, and the market value of the property was more than what has been assessed by the valuer. Stop. While Dr. Upal is interested in purchasing one floor of the property at Todarmal Road, others JDs want to have their preference for Karol Bagh house against their share and pay the difference. Stop. More specifically, Mr. Gopal Krishna Upal, who is also residing at Karol Bagh property, has stated that this property must go to him. Stop. Mrs. Indra Upal is also partly occupying the same property. Stop. She also wants to purchase this property. Stop. A perusal on record would show that all efforts to bring a settlement between the parties failed even at the level of arbitrator who was a relative of the parties, and that is how the arbitrator opined that the partition among the brothers and sisters can be done only by auction of the properties. Stop. Same is the situation now. Although the properties have been got valued from a government valuer. Stop. It is a complaint that the properties have not been valued properly. Stop. Thank you.